Hello, Native Campers. This is Eugene from Native Camp, also known as Daddy Gene on my YouTube channels. Now, you're gonna watch my actual lesson for Grammar Beginner number 48. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button to get notified for my upcoming videos. Hello, good morning. Welcome to my class. Can you hear me clearly? Can you see me well? Okay, very good. So, by the way, my name is Eugene. So, how may I call your name? Okay, nice to meet you, Tomohisa. Thank you so much. So, how are you today? Wow, that sounds great that you are fine. Anyway, Tomohisa, I'm looking at your lesson right now. You choose Grammar Beginner number 48. Is that correct? Okay, the title is Where is the nearest hotel from here? So please repeat after me. Where is the nearest hotel from here? Very good. You sounds great, Tomohisa. By the way, do I speak very fast or do I need to speak more slowly? Just okay. Okay. So now, Tomohisa, please read today's goal. Compare. Choose. Superlative. Very good. So now this time, let's move on to today's phrases. Please repeat after me twice, okay? Let's start. Where is the nearest hotel? Very good. Again, one more time. Where is the nearest hotel? Very good. Next, which is faster, a cab or a bus? Very good. Again, one more time. Which is faster, a cab or a bus? Very good. A cab is probably faster, but a bus is cheaper. Very good. One more time. A cab is probably faster, but a bus is cheaper. Okay. So now this time, Tomohisa, let's learn some grammar point, okay? Let's check this grammar point in the box. You can see it below. So when we speak about comparative, we add ER on the word. Like for example, past become faster, cheap become cheaper, good become better, cute become cuter, busy become busier, tall become taller. Okay? So please read this one, Tomohisa. Read the example. Very good. Okay, so now for the second one, it is the superlative the. Okay, we add est. Like for example, fast, the fastest. Okay, cheap, the cheapest. Good, the best. Cute, the cutest. Busy, the busiest. Okay, so please read again the superlative the est. Okay, very good. So, do you have any question, Tomohisa? Okay, so in that case, let's move on to new words and expression. Okay, so please read direction, Tomohisa. Are you done? Okay, now we will learn new words and expressions that are used in this lesson. Okay, I'll read the word, then please repeat after me. Okay, so the first word for new words is delay. Very good. So now you will listen to US pronunciation, and after you listen, please repeat exactly after the audio. Okay. Okay, that's correct. Delay. Would you like to listen for UK pronunciation also, Tomohisa? Okay, so now you will listen for UK pronunciation, and after you listen, please repeat exactly after the audio again, okay? Okay, that's correct. Delay, it's a verb meaning to make something happen at a later time than originally planned or expected. Example, my flight was delayed. So please read again the example sentence. Very good, Tomohisa. So now, let's move on to the second word. The second word is nearest. Repeat, nearest. Very good. So now, you will listen again for US pronunciation and repeat after the audio. That's correct. Very good, nearest. Now, let's listen again for UK pronunciation, okay? That is correct. So, nearest, it's an adjective meaning closest in distance. Example, where is the nearest hotel? So, please read again the example sentence. Very good. Okay, so now this time, let's move on to the third word. The third word is several. Repeat. Very good. Several. Okay, so now let's listen to US pronunciation again. That's correct. Several. Okay, now let's listen one more time for UK pronunciation. Okay, that's correct. So several, it's an adjective meaning some, an amount that is not exact but is fewer than many. Example, there are several hotels in this area. So please read again the example sentence. Okay, well done. So now let's move on to the next word, okay? The next word is exhausted. Very good. So now let's listen to US pronunciation. One more time, exhausted. Again, Tomohisa, exhausted. Okay, so now let's listen again for UK pronunciation. Okay, that's correct. So exhausted is an adjective meaning extremely tired. Example, I am exhausted. So please read again the example sentence. Okay, very good. So now let's move on to the fifth and last word, okay? This is praise, okay? Feel better soon. Okay, not bitter, better soon. Feel better soon. Very good. So now, let's listen to US pronunciation. Very good. Feel better soon. So now, let's listen again for UK pronunciation for the last time. That's correct. So feel better soon. It's a phrase meaning indicating hope that the listener recovers from physical illness. Example, I hope you will feel better soon. So please read again the example sentence. Okay, thank you so much for reading all those example sentence, Tomohisa. So now this time, let's move on to short conversation. We will practice the short conversation, so please read the direction, Tomohisa. Are you done? Okay, so now, first, let's listen to the conversation. I'll play this audio, just listen carefully, okay? Very good. Okay, so thank you so much for listening, Tomohisa. Now for the second time, let's read the whole conversation together. Please repeat after me, okay? I read the situation first. David is at the airport trying to talk to the customer service representative lady at the information desk. Customer service representative very good. Hello, can I ask you a few questions? Yes, sir, of course. My flight was delayed and I'm looking for a place to stay. Where is the nearest hotel from here? There are several hotels in this area, but maybe the Regal Hotels is the closest. Closest. Very good. Okay, thank you. Should I take a bus or a cab? Which one is faster? A cab is probably faster because you don't have to wait, but a bus is cheaper. Okay. Right. But I'm feeling a little sick and also exhausted, so I'll take a cab. Thanks a lot. Exhausted? Great idea. Have a great night, sir. I hope you will feel better soon. Okay, well done, Tomohisa. That was a very nice conversation. Now, for the third time, let's do a role play. Okay? I'll be David, and you are the information desk. Okay? So let's start. I'll read this situation again. David is at the airport trying to talk to the customer service representative lady at the information desk. Hello, can I ask you a few questions? My flight was delayed and I'm looking for a place to stay. Where is the nearest hotel from here? Several. Okay, thank you. Should I take a bus or a cab? Which one is faster? Right, but I'm feeling a little sick and also exhausted. So I'll take a cab. Thanks a lot. Okay, so well done. Thank you so much, Tomohisa. That was a very nice role play. But however, there are some words that are being mispronounced. So let's practice these words, okay? I'll type it in the chat box. Please repeat after me twice, okay? So the first word is several. Okay, one more time. Repeat after me, several. Okay, again, for the last time, several. Very good. And the second word is, okay, exhausted. Very good. Again, exhausted. Okay, well done. Thank you so much, Tomohisa. Now, for the fourth time, let's switch the roles. I will be the information desk officer and you are David, okay? So please start now. Start from situation, Tomohisa. Representative. Yes, sir, of course. There are several hotels in this area, but maybe the Regal Hotel is the closest. A cab is probably faster because you don't have to wait, but a bus is cheaper. Great idea. Have a great night, sir. I hope you will feel better soon. Okay, so thank you so much, Tomohisa. That was a very nice role play. Good job. So now this time, let's move on to question activity, okay? So please read direction, Tomohisa. Okay, so please answer my question. Number one, what's David looking for and why? Okay. What is looking for? Okay, that is correct. Very good, Tomohisa. You got the correct answer. He's looking for a place to stay because his flight was delayed. Very good. So now let's move on to question number 2, Tomohisa. Which one is faster, a cab or a bus? Okay, that's correct. Very good. You got the correct answer again. A cab is faster because he doesn't have to wait. Good job. Okay, so now let's proceed on question number 3. Which mode of transportation will David take and why? Okay, that's correct. Very good, Tomohisa. You got the correct answer. He'll take a cab because he feels a little sick and exhausted. Congratulations, Tomohisa. You got 3 correct answers for this question activity. Good job. Okay, so now let's move on to some exercise. So please read the direction, Tomohisa. Are you done? Okay, so now let's do the exercise. There's an example on the first picture. I will read the teacher's part and you will read the student part, okay? Let's start. Who is faster, Ricky or Anne? Next. Anne. Okay, Ricky is taller than Anne. Very good. So now, let's move on to the second picture. Look at picture number 2. Who is stronger, John or Max? Oh, is it Max? Okay, that's correct. John is stronger than Max. Okay, now please make a question. Okay, that's correct question. Who is cuter, John or Max? Okay, Max is cuter than John. Okay, so thank you so much. Congratulations. So now let's move on to the next exercise. Look at the next picture. Okay, so which man is richer, Mr. Harper or Mr. Simpsons? That is correct. Mr. Harper is richer than Mr. Simpson. Very good. Now please make a question. Which man is happier? That is correct. Which man is happier, Mr. Harper or Mr. Simpson? Mr. Simpson is happier than Mr. Harper. Okay, very good. So now let's move on to the next picture. Okay, so which state is weather? Weather, Louisiana or Arizona? Louisiana. Okay, that's correct. Louisiana is wetter than Arizona. Very good. So now please make a question. Oh, I'm sorry to interrupt, but our time is about to end. See you again next time, Tomohisa. Bye-bye.